Now let us see how to convert the pencil or regular stroke into a brush stroke. So to do that, I'm going to take a circle right here. So I'm going to take an ellipse tool, and then I'm going to increase the size of the brush right here. So the size of the stroke, and I'm going to create a circle just like this, as you can see. So right now, if I were to press K on my keyboard, you can see that this is a stroke. So I cannot actually divide this quite easily if I want to fill up individual colors over here. So for that, what I need to do is I need to convert this into a brush stroke. So to do that, I can simply go over here on to drawing, and then from drawing, I'm going to go to convert. So this is not selected, as you can see, so I should select the shape first. So I should select the shape like this. So now I can go to drawing, I can go to convert, and here you can find it, pencil lines to brush stroke. So once you actually click this, now you can see that the lines are actually outside. So now you can divide them easily and then fill it with different colors. So to do that, I'm going to go over here on to the stroke tool, and I'm going to enable both of these. So I'm going to draw stroke as a straight line, and I'm going to connect the line end. So if I were to do this, I can create lines over here, as you can see, which will actually attach to different parts of the stroke right over here. So now what I can do is I can simply take my paint bucket tool right over here. I can select different colors as I wish, and I can fill it out just like this, as you can see. So this way you can actually assign different colors onto a single stroke as well. So that is how you can assign different colors onto stroke and convert stroke into convert a stroke into a brush stroke. So hope you guys learn something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.